The Iraqi dinar, a long-standing debate in the currency market. The Iraqi dinar has been a topic of speculation and anticipation for years, sparking debates about its potential revaluation. Recent updates suggest that significant progress is being made, offering a glimmer of hope to investors and currency enthusiasts. Let's delve into the latest developments and key aspects of this situation. The Iraqi Dinar RV update. Recently, there has been renewed optimism surrounding the potential revaluation, RV, of the Iraqi dinar. However, insiders clarify that an RV is not necessarily a prerequisite for revaluation. According to reports, the process is steadily advancing, though experts emphasize the importance of patience as further developments unfold. Among the notable voices in this discussion is Intel guru Mark Z, who has shared insights from his sources, including one in Asia with ties to bond markets. This source anticipates significant movements beginning around January 21st or 22nd, coinciding with the start of bond payouts. The next stage is expected to involve scheduling appointments for investors. While Mark Z remains cautiously optimistic, he's hopeful that these developments could lead to the breakthrough many have been awaiting. The long-discussed RV has created a buzz among investors, with recent progress fueling excitement after years of speculation. Behind the scenes of the revaluation. To understand the growing optimism surrounding the dinar's revaluation, one must consider developments within Iraq's government and financial systems. By late September, Iraq's government and parliament reportedly completed all necessary preparations for revaluation, laying the groundwork for this significant move. However, stability remains a crucial factor. Iraq is striving to achieve the political and economic conditions necessary for a successful revaluation. Any instability could jeopardize the dinar's value and complicate the process. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has also been actively working to restructure the nation's financial systems. Efforts to combat corruption and manipulation in currency auctions have yielded a more transparent and reliable financial environment, creating a strong foundation for implementing a new exchange rate when the time is right. A vision for a stronger dinar. Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani has fueled debate with his bold vision of a future where the Iraqi dinar surpasses the value of the US dollar. While some see this as overly optimistic, it reflects his belief in Iraq's economic potential. As one of the world's largest oil producers, Iraq's economy benefits from rising global oil prices, which could support the dinar's value. However, al-Sudani's vision extends beyond oil. He has proposed economic reforms aimed at diversifying Iraq's economy, improving trade, attracting foreign investment, and developing various industries. While this vision inspires hope, skepticism persists due to the lack of a clear timeline for these reforms. Nonetheless, a stronger dinar could have significant implications for Iraq's economy and its role in the global market. Challenges of transitioning to a stronger currency. Shifting from a dollar-dominated economy to one where the dinar takes precedence would be a monumental challenge. The US dollar has been a cornerstone of global finance, and Iraq would need to implement significant policy changes to promote the dinar as a stable and trusted currency. This transition would involve improving financial infrastructure, establishing new trade agreements, and stabilizing domestic industries. A stronger dinar could reduce import costs, benefiting consumers, but it might also make local products less competitive, potentially harming domestic industries. Policymakers would need to strike a careful balance to ensure sustainable economic growth. Public trust in the dinar is essential for its success. Having experienced volatility in the past, many Iraqis remain skeptical. To gain both domestic and international confidence, the government must demonstrate the dinar's stability and reliability. A historical perspective on the Iraqi dinar. The history of the Iraqi dinar is marked by economic turmoil and significant changes. Over the years, Iraq has faced challenges that led to fluctuations in the dinar's value. For instance, the decision to phase out smaller denominations like the 50 dinar note was part of efforts to combat corruption and crime. Currently, the 50,000 dinar note is widely used for large transactions, while the 100,000 dinar note is reserved for central bank and government dealings. These measures reflect Iraq's efforts to stabilize its economy and streamline its currency system. Environmental initiatives and economic growth. In addition to financial reforms, Iraq is making strides in environmental initiatives, particularly in Basra, a city long affected by pollution from gas flaring in its oil fields.